Colleagues, I ask that the Senate adjourn today in memory of Charlie Starbuck. It was just so sad for so many of us when we learned of Charlie's passing at the age of 84. He was a volunteer who spent many years trying to expand San Francisco's urban forest. Charlie was born in 1937 in New York. He enlisted in the Air Force and served as a staff sergeant in the Tactical Air Command. After leaving the service, he enrolled at Penn State University, where he earned bachelor's and master's degrees in accounting. After a stint at Arthur Andersen, he added a law degree to his list from the University of Pittsburgh, 1967. 3 years later, he was in practice as a defense lawyer when he decided to move to the great city of San Francisco, where his sister Anne was living. Charlie was a solo practitioner in tax law, which he also taught at City College of San Francisco. But his life's work was truly as a volunteer with San Francisco's Friends of the Urban Forest. He also served a term on the Planning Commission in the 1970s under Mayor George Moscone, a former member and leader in this body. So over the last 20 years, Charlie probably spent about 3,000 days and 10,000 hours volunteering and planting more than 8,500 trees. Friends of the Urban Forest is an amazing organization in San Francisco that for more than 40 years has spearheaded the planting of more street trees in our city and then caring for those trees. They do volunteer neighborhood mobilizations. I've attended many of them. They're really inspiring in terms of neighbors coming together to plant more trees with all of the health and quality of life benefits that that brings. Over the many years that I've been attending Friends of the Urban Forest neighborhood tree plantings, I don't think I ever attended one where Charlie wasn't there. With his signature green beret and his just absolutely amazing positive enthusiasm. He, in so many ways, symbolized Friends of the Urban Forest and tree planting activism in the city of San Francisco. He's survived by his brother John and his sister Anne. He's also survived by 8 nieces and a nephew. They've all had street trees in San Francisco planted by their uncle as birthday gifts. Please join me today in adjourning in our great San Franciscan, in memory of our great San Franciscan Charlie Starbuck.